Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the SIM is active and the iPhone has signal. No need to reboot yet. Open Settings, then tap Messages or FaceTime depending on where the number shows unverified. When prompted, enter your Apple ID and device passcode so the system can request a verification SMS from your carrier. Once done, make sure airplane mode is off and cellular data is enabled. This allows the iPhone to receive the automatic verification code. You trigger verification by toggling iMessage or FaceTime off and back on. This makes Apple request a 6-digit code from your carrier. Watch the Messages app for the SMS or an automated carrier message that includes the code. If you don't see it, make sure Do Not Disturb and SMS filtering are off. Then use settings to resend the verification or ask your carrier to resend the code. You can also request a verification call if SMS fails. You enter the 6-digit code immediately when it arrives. Accuracy matters because expired codes fail. The iPhone may autofill the code within a minute. If it doesn't, type it manually and confirm. If verification still fails, wait 5 minutes, toggle iMessage/FaceTime again, and retry the sequence. One troubleshooting tip: if things go wrong, verify your carrier isn't blocking short codes and that the number has the correct country prefix. Contact Apple support only after confirming carrier settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.